And we're going after, you guessed it, the big Goliath grouper. So let me grab one of these big bait and let's see what's down there. We just arrived, live, real time here. Got you, you staying on. Come on, come on, come on now. Oh, look at that, Jeff. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Come on. Oh yeah, baby, come on. Come on, stop it. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, baby. Come on, bring it on. Come on. Turn that thing. Self. Come on now. Oh, that hurt. Oh my goodness. Dog it. I ain't done. Come on. Hold it up. Come on now. Hold it up. Come on. Oh my goodness. You guys, I'm almost done. Completely. I still think I can do it though. Oh my goodness. Here he comes. Come on, Pops. Get back here for me. Come on now. Oh, baby. Come on. Get back here. You guys, I'm holding that whole fish by my hand. He's trying to get us on the pilings. He's killing me. Oh my goodness. He's right there, you guys. Look at him. Oh, look at that fish. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. Look at that monster. Oh my goodness. You guys, can you see that? You see what he did to me? Hey, all you professional athletes out there, I don't care, anybody from Ray Lewis, Matt Hughes, Shaquille O'Neal, Shaq, you guys bring it on. I got a Goliath challenge for you. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Crazy fishing. I told you we're going to work. These guys are wondering what I'm doing now. I'm gonna hurry up and get out their way. I got blasted, as you can tell. Let me drag this big boy on the boat if I can. My shoes are all broke. Look at my feet. They came out of my shoes.